Your groove is going to line up with this keyway that's inside there. So make sure you line up your groove before you try to push it all the way on. Hi, I'm Damon Welch and I'm the Automotive Instructor at Crestview High School. So essentially the summer programs for upcoming 5th graders is to give them a little bit of a baseline knowledge of the automotive world. It's more to pique their interest so that whenever they get into high school, they know what we can provide them and just makes them want to learn a little bit more. Obviously our goal in the automotive industry is always to get young talent in. Right now, the automotive industry is struggling with getting younger technicians. It's just one of those trades, you know, everybody's pushed college for so many years. Not a lot of people realize that you can go to a tech school and be just as effective in your society being from a tech school. So like for instance, we have a couple of students that graduated 2 years ago. One of them's a Ford technician. He's making over $100,000 a year. One of them's a Dodge service writer. She's making over $90,000 a year. So a lot of people don't know that this is out there. So we started all these CTE summer programs for incoming 5th graders just to give them a baseline knowledge of what CTE can provide for them. And so this is our way of giving back to the community as well as growing our programs. So today we're actually rebuilding our small engines. So we have a couple of Honda engines that we rebuild every year with our beginners. So during summer camp, my goal is to give them a little bit of taste of that. So what we've done, yesterday we tore the engines completely down to the bare block. Today we're building them back up to where they can operate functionally. And then tomorrow the kids will go over oil changes and how to change a tire. And then Thursday, which is the last day, we'll actually bring out a breaker box and they'll wire up a headlight assembly. They'll make it to where it'll blink and flash just as if they're on the side of the road, as if it was inside of a car. The summer program is probably my favorite just because you get these 5th graders coming in and they're learning something that they never even heard of. And so just to see the way their face lights up whenever you explain why something does it, it just gives you a good feeling inside. I'm hoping they can walk away with having fun, realizing that you can have fun in this type of environment, as well as just learning a little bit of basics. If a kid comes in and they don't even know how to take a screw or a bolt or a nut off, and they learn lefty-loosey, righty-tighty from me, I feel like I've done them a good justice. So the summer programs are really important because honestly, a lot of these incoming 5th graders, yes, they're still 3-4 years away from high school, but it's something that they don't realize they have these type of opportunities. And so for us to host these camps, it stays in the kids' mind, you know. Yes, they're 5th graders. 6th grade year, they may not think about it. 7th grade year, maybe not. But 8th grade year, whenever they get that registration form for high school, they're gonna think back, man, how much fun did I have in automotive? How much fun did I have in culinary? How much fun did I have in robotics? The list goes on, and that sticks with the kid, whether people believe it or not. And so whenever they think back to it, I want them to know that they can go into it, fill it out, and have a fun time at high school.